Okay, so it's the morning after all that wind and rain and crap. Don't want to get wet. It's cold. Look at that, even the wall in here. You probably can't tell the difference, but it's wet. How the hell does a wall like that get wet? But yeah, no. Right up to the front door. That doesn't happen very often. Yeah. It's pretty wet still. Let's go have a look out the back. Now this is the backyard. As you can hear and see, the wind is still pretty bad. Damn it, looks like the council trees are still there. Ah. It's windy. But yeah, the rain goes all the way up the top of the windows a lot of the time. So it's actually pretty cold. Oh, flooding down there is not too bad, because it's really eased off in the last couple of hours. We hardly got a wink of sleep all night, and if you look up there, those little dots on the post there, cats. The birds. Not even the birds want to deal with this morning. That's Mummy and Daddy Butcherbird. Poor babies. Not exactly the best flying weather, but as you can hear, some of the other birds are going at it. Okay, I'm going back in where it is dry and warmer. Amazing how you can go from dead to, well, I'll have to do a video in a couple of days and actually show you what happens after a couple of days of rain and a couple of days of sunshine. Hubby's not looking forward to mowing for the next 3 months. I am really tired. Alrighty, back later. So as you can see, I wasn't kidding. The rain really is all the way up the window. So glad I didn't wash them. No point really. We'll have to now though. Fun.
She's gonna settle everyone down. Thank you for joining us. Good on you. Yeah,
okay, so it's still really windy and it's still raining a bit, so I'm getting wet. That's what happens to trees. Yep. They lose themselves. That's our neighbour's driveway. There is actually concrete under there. Not a whole lot of damage up the rest of the street, so it's not too bad. Alrighty, I'm getting in out of the wind and the rain so I can keep warm. Okay, try and keep the rain off this. This is where I do my videos of the spiders, and it's still raining, so I'm going to try and make this as quick as I can. Hello, flood water. Yay, pollution. Okay, we're going to go home now. It's raining again. Probably going to wind again too. Okay, so I just lost my umbrella. It is broken. This is what happens. Still walking, still walking, still walking. God. Hope the birdies are alright. Alright. I'm going home. Go and tell hubby that I broke the umbrella. He's not going to be happy. Oh well.